Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to integrate your Etsy platform to AdLister. Once logged into AdLister, in order to have the Etsy platform integrated, you will have to navigate to the platform's drop-down menu and click on it. A page will load up with the available platforms that are connected to your AdLister. Now, in order to have the Etsy platform integrated, you will have to click on the Add Platform button, select the Etsy platform, and then give the Etsy platform a name. A new page will load where you will have to enter your Etsy store name in order to then request token credentials. There is also a guide on the right-hand side assisting you in the integration process. Once you have entered your store name and clicked on the Get New Token Credentials, this will redirect you to Etsy to allow access for AdLister to connect to your Etsy platform. When Allow Access is clicked, a verification code will be generated that needs to be copied and pasted back into AdLister to obtain the token. Once the verification code has been copied over and the token has been obtained, make sure to save the changes. And that is all that needs to be done in order to have Etsy and AdLister connected. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with future videos.